Why would a wise master intentionally spill hot tea all over a table? It wasn't an accident, it was a lesson. Today, we are sharing a powerful story about a young man and a master that visually demonstrates exactly why you're feeling stuck and the two surprising ways to fix it. So, let's begin our story. Once upon a time, there was a young man who was very unhappy. He felt like he had a heavy rock on his shoulders. He felt that he made too many mistakes and that nobody understood him. His head was always full of noisy, worried thoughts. So, he went to visit a very old, wise master to ask for help. "Master," the young man said sadly, "my life is too hard. I am always worried. My mind is never quiet. Please tell me, what should I do?" The wise master smiled a kind smile. "Before we talk," he said, "let us share a nice cup of hot tea." The master put a cup on the table. He picked up a teapot full of hot, milky tea. He started to pour. The tea went splash, splash into the cup. Soon the cup was full to the top. But the master did not stop. He kept pouring and pouring. The tea spilled over the edge of the cup. It made a puddle on the saucer. Then it spilled onto the table and dripped onto the floor. The young man jumped up. "Master, stop!" he shouted. "Look, the cup is full. No more tea can fit inside. Why do you keep pouring?" The master stopped pouring. He put the teapot down and looked at the young man gently. "You are right," the master said. "This cup is full. No more tea can enter. You are just like this cup." The young man looked confused. "Me?" "Yes," said the master. "Your mind is full of worries, complaints, and sad thoughts. It is overflowing. If your mind is full of these things, how can I pour in happiness or wisdom? There is no space left." The young man sat down quietly. He understood. Then the master said one more important thing. "If you cannot empty your cup all at once, do not worry. Just start pouring in good things. Pour in hard work. Pour in kindness. Pour in hope. If you keep pouring in the clear, fresh water of good thoughts, the dirty water of worry will eventually spill out. Soon, only the good will remain." My dear listeners, this story teaches us two special secrets. Make space. Sometimes, when we feel sad or angry, we need to take a deep breath and let those feelings go. We need to empty our cup so we have room to learn new things. Add the good. Even if you feel sad, try to do one good thing. Help a friend, finish your homework, or smile at someone. If you keep adding good things to your day, the bad feelings will get pushed out, just like the spilling tea. So, keep your cup ready for good things.